Okay, once your USB flash drive is inserted, we're going to be looking for it. Open your Windows, this PC. Here I'm going to show you what's the drive available on the PC. This is the USB we're looking for. I'm going to right click. I'm going to give you this menu. I'm going to click format. It show you the capacity. File system, you can change this either. Some ones like MTFS, other ones like FAT32. Matter preference, the meaning is probably you found it on Google. Volume label, that's the name. So since I'm gonna be using this for the Windows 10 download, I'm gonna use I'm gonna write down Windows 10 as a volume label. I'm gonna do a quick format. I'm gonna hit start. You see the warning, give you a warning. As mentioned, formatting will erase all data in this disk. To format the disk, click OK to quit, cancel. Click cancel. Very important. This label here is the name of the USB drive and the location of where it is, where the drive it is on your computer. So then we're gonna hit OK. Process is pretty short, so should not take too long. Format is complete. Hit OK. So you notice now the volume level is Windows 10. Format Windows 10. So we're gonna hit close because it's already done. The USB drive now is Windows 10. Simple.